The MP, or multipurpose tray, is found at the front of the printer. The MP tray allows your printer to use more paper types and more sizes than the cassette tray. For example, cardstock, envelopes, and labels. Open the MP tray by pulling down on this latch. Slide the top tray out. You can adjust the paper size by sliding the paper width guides to the paper sizes inscribed in the tray. Insert the paper side up along the paper width guides until it stops. If the paper guide is something other than plain paper, you must set the paper type in the menu. This will ensure the highest quality of prints. On the control panel, select System Menu Counter key. From the control panel navigation keys, scroll to Common Settings. Press OK. Scroll down to Original Paper Set. Press OK. And then scroll down to MP Tray Set. Press OK. Select MP Tray Size and press OK. The default paper size setting is US letter, indicated by the asterisk to the left of the description. To change the paper size, scroll down to the paper size you wish to use, press OK. In our example, we will select letter. Press OK. The screen should respond with Completed. Next, scroll down to MP Paper Type and press OK. Scroll through the selections to find the desired paper type. The default is plain, which is normal copy or printer paper. If you're using something else, select it from the list. Paper types are always printed on the paper box or protective paper wrapping. In our example, we will select plain from the list. Press OK. Press Exit to exit the settings display. The machine will return to a ready state. You have now set paper size and type for the MP tray for the M2540dw printer. Each time you open either tray, the cassette or MP tray, you will be asked if you wish to change the paper type. This is normal. If you are simply replacing the same type paper, press OK to continue. If you're using a different paper type, press Change and follow the instructions. Failing to select the appropriate paper size or type can result in paper jams. The next video, M2540dw Altitude Adjustment, covers how to properly set up your machine in high-altitude environments. Otherwise, continue with printer driver installation for Mac computers or printer driver installation for Windows computers.